Application of CBZRJ-series Vacuum Emulsification Mixing Unit. The CBZRJ-series Vacuum Emulsification Unit is a new type of vacuum emulsification equipment that integrates the functions of homogenization, emulsification, mixing, dispersion, evacuation, heating, and cooling. It is primarily suitable for industries such as cosmetics, food, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. It is used for homogenizing, emulsifying, and stirring pastes, creams, and colloidal materials with a viscosity below 50,000 cP under a vacuum state, thereby obtaining high-quality products. The design and manufacturing of this equipment fully comply with the national GMP standards. Introduction of CBZRJ-series Vacuum Emulsification Mixing Unit. This equipment is equipped with heating and cooling devices. The required working temperature and time can be freely selected according to the user's product process requirements. All parts of this equipment that come into contact with materials are made of high-quality stainless steel and non-toxic, harmless materials, ensuring the hygienic quality of the product. Main components of CBZRJ-series Vacuum Emulsification Mixing Unit. This equipment consists of the following main parts: an emulsification mixing tank, boil-water pot, vacuum system, heating-cooling system, hydraulic lifting system, tipping device, discharge system, feeding system, electrical control system, temperature control system, and work platform.